Hi there, Pandan. At Saturday morning's briefing, local authorities said that a total of 7 new coronavirus cases were reported since Thursday, and 4 were reported since Friday afternoon. And among them, 6 had no travel history outside Beijing, but what they have in common is their visits to Xinfadi, a wholesale market for agricultural products in Fengtai district. Now, one local CDC official says that these patients might have been exposed to a contaminated environment or interacted with infected people at the market. And the 4 new cases include a driver, a salesperson, a business operator, and a market patron. Now, the market has been completely shut down and separate areas were designated to trade fruit and vegetables. That is to ensure the supply, as 90% of the fruit and vegetables in Beijing are supplied by this market. And meanwhile, authorities are working to trace the origin, and those who have come in close contact in the area have been put under quarantine. Now, we know the capital city had over 50 days of 0 locally transmitted cases, and the latest development has sounded alarm that this is going to be a long-term battle, and it has triggered some new prevention and control measures. For instance, 11 communities in Fengtai have been closed off since last night. Authorities started a major campaign examining key places that sell meat and seafood products. Let's take a listen what they have found.
Beijing carried out major inspections on wholesale markets and large supermarkets, collecting a total of 5,424 smear test samples from seafood, meat, and the external environment. Nucleic acid testing results showed 40 environmental positive samples from Xinfadi wholesale market. The remaining samples from other wholesale and supermarkets all tested negative.
And in response to the new infections, educational authorities are suspending plans to reopen schools. Now, 1st to 3rd graders were among the last batch to resume classes, which was meant to happen next Monday. And now the suspension is going to affect around 520,000 students. And like you mentioned, all sports games are suspended as well. Now, local authorities warned that this is going to be a long battle with the virus, and they warn local residents to stay vigilant, including using measures such as wearing masks, washing hands, and keeping social distancing. So the stakes are very high. Back to you.